In last lecture, we had studied about decomposition reaction where the one single reactant get decomposed in a number of the products. So we'll understand this with another activity. This is called as the electrolysis of water. Take a plastic mug. This is the plastic mug. Drill two holes. This is the two holes which are drilled to insert this rubber stop and insert this carbon electrode. These are the carbon electrodes which are inserted, and this connect these electrodes with the 6-volt battery. Fill the mug with the help of water and add a few drops of this dilute sulfuric acid, and take these two tubes, keep it invert, filled with water over this electrode, switch on the current and leave the apparatus for some time. So you will observe that the bubbles will come in all these two tubes. Bubbles will come here, bubbles will come here. So as they have mentioned, this is the anode, this is the cathode, this is the rubber stopper, water is placed over here, this is the plastic mug, and the switch is provided. So after some time, what you will observe, these are the bubbles. This is the bubble that will come from both the test tube. Here it is written that the hydrogen gas will be liberated in one tube, and the oxygen gas is liberated in the another tube. So the question comes is now, how much is the proportion of hydrogen gas and how much is the proportion of oxygen gas? So we know that the formula of water is H2O. So around the percentage of hydrogen gas will be more, H2O. So that's why percentage is more than the oxygen. So if the oxygen is 50%, then hydrogen will be the 100%, or it will be the double of oxygen. Another activity is about the silver chloride. This is the silver chloride, around 2 grams of silver chloride kept in this china dish. Place this china dish in a sunlight. So when the sunrays will fall over this silver chloride, you will observe that after certain time, this silver chloride will change its color. Initially it is white in color. It will change its color to black, metallic black gray color, and this is the reaction which explains twice AgCl, that is silver chloride. In presence of sunlight, this change, and this will change into black metallic or gray color. Same, this silver bromide is also behaves in the same way as the silver chloride behave. So this is the reaction which explains about the silver bromide when reacts or it get decomposed in silver as well as bromine in presence of sunlight. So the above reactions are used in black and white photography. So all these reactions are of decomposition, where you can observe that this one single chemical composition get decomposed to many product. This, so for decomposition reaction, energy may be either in the form of heat, light or electricity is required for breaking down the reactant. So to break down the reactants, so it required certain amount of energy to use to breaking down this reactant, and the reaction in which the energy is absorbed, such kinds of the reaction where the energy is absorbed is called as a endothermic reaction. So we have studied about the decomposition reaction and what the meaning of endothermic reaction. Thank you.